noma sekuthiwani le movie sesijwayele, we know how it ends. I just hope ukuthi it's not what I'm thinking. Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to BK Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Thembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Danko. Today we're going to be discussing about two topics. Firstly, it's Wandile Duba getting a contract extension, and secondly, we're going to be discussing about the players that were supposed, but players that were not part of the 26 men of Bafana Bafana to travel to the FIFA World Cup, America, Canada and Mexico. But they were given another chance to now go as spectators. Yabo. But asikho lapho, you know the drill, ungakhohlwa ukulike nokusubscribe to the channel if awukaka subscribe. Kodwa ke maso subscribe le, danko kaningi. Asivele sihlala udabeni. Wandile Duba, we all know him ukuthi he has that never say die attitude. And it's a player that I believe ukuthi he's making his own name. He's not hyped, but he's working hard. And that's what I believe ukuthi it makes him look like a player that in future Kaizer Chiefs can rely on him. Or even now in the season that is going to start after a FIFA World Cup, I believe ukuthi he will be a good player for Kaizer Chiefs. Nakhona, it will depend on the new technical team and the coach. Will they give him those minutes? Trust in him. Because the future is too bright. But there's something I've noticed about the Chiefs. I want the Chiefs are good far a contract extension. Especially if you are coming from their reserve team. Simply means kuti they are ready to let you go. And Wandile Duba last season could have left the Kaizer Chiefs for a team in Saudi Arabia, but the deal collapsed. And besithi uyadlala makaluka bhala ku Instagram yakuthi bye bye South Africa departures, because we thought ukuthi indlela ekudlalwa ngayo, because that's why nakulilipo abantu babona kahle ukuthi no ngathi vele ufukuhamba. But for Wandile Duba, if Kaizer Chiefs decide to sell him, simply means kuti next season is going to be a season whereby kuti, I don't know, can I use the term rebuilding, or I can say kuti it will be a season whereby kuti everything that will be done, it will need ukuthi kube nama players that will be recruited, that will fit as a club, players that will fight for the club, fight for a badge. Because Duba is one of those players that you know very well. Even in some games whereby you see nothing is coming all right for Kaizer Chiefs, Vumbuga could Kalin and make something out of nothing. And he's a player that you see with has great potential in him. And if he can get to start from the first game till the last game of the league, he can score many goals and also register main assist, because he's that player that is not selfish. But let's hope kuti Kaizer Chiefs is not considering selling him after renewing his contract. And hope kuti they are planning for him at Chiefs kuti he's part of the project. As the new coach, it was said ukuthi it's Fernando da Cruz. And it was also confirmed by Umthokozi Sidube, another journalist. I think he's from Ifa Post, if not mistaken, saying that it's true. He talked to Da Cruz and he's supposed to be here by the 22nd of June, as it was announced by Mickey June, Africa's best journalist. Guti, between 22 to 25 June, he must be here in South Africa. Laba bathe bambone e-OR Tambo Airport, i-video ya last year where he was received by Kaizer June. I don't know, nina nikubona kanjani? Because I feel like Duba next season might be the player that might do well. It might be his season because he showed glimpses of that towards the end of the season. And that shows with by the goals that he scored and the assist. Would give him game time. I've been stressing about this. Give him regular game time. You'll see he is good. And he can also work towards being better than what he is right now. But if they are willing to sell him, hey, it simply means I sobona sesibona. But asikho lapho kakhulu. Na inkinga ke la ukuthi the players that were not selected to go to the FIFA World Cup lena izobe seCanada, Mexico, USA. They were given an opportunity by Old School ukuthi they will sponsor their trip to go to watch FIFA World Cup. I don't know ukuthi I might be sounding wrong or not, but hey, mina if I was them, I don't think I would even consider that offer. Azubhlungu obukuya laphana uyobukela knowing ukuthi it could have been me. But it's not that also. I think another thing is obakhahlela ukuthi their teams will be going to a preseason, so they cannot miss that. So I don't know if this is true or not, but I've read something yesterday whereby there was someone who said I came across Olebohang Mabonye and we talked and I got to see the kind of a person he is beyond the pitch. No, he's a humble guy and you can tell he's someone that you can easily communicate with. And he said something which is not considering going to America. He has a schedule that he has for himself to train and prepare for the next season. So I see it does make sense in terms of thinking about the next season, because what's the use of going to America not to play but to watch? Yes, it's a once in a lifetime moment, but manga save that player can save money and go on his own. But we know this is sponsored. Obviously, you won't spend anything, but team iyokudinga nayo ngapha. I don't think it would be good for them to go, because now you can see it's all about now damage control. Okay, they are trying to manage the situation. I don't know, nina nikubona kanjani? They should just go.